Hi guys, guess what I found at Toys R Us? It is Star Wars Mashems. I think this is the last 4 and that they got in the branch. That's why I got these 4. Okay, so let's see what we're going to get. Okay, that is Yoda, R2-D2, Darth Vader, Stormtrooper, C-3PO, and Boba Fett. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's open them. It's a Stormtrooper. Ta-da! It's really cute. I'm so excited about this one because it is the last 4 Mashems, Star Wars Mashems that I saw. It's Yoda. That's so cute. That's so cool. Yoda. Ta-da! Third Mashem. It's another Yoda. It's okay, it's okay. I love Yoda. And 4th one would be, okay, I'm nervous. No. I'm sorry about the sneeze. That was my dog. It's another Yoda. Anyway, it's okay. So there you got it. I got 3 Yodas and 1 Stormtrooper. Cool beans. So there you go. I hope they'll have more stock someday. And I will see you soon on my next vlog. Bye. Take care.